Hello everyone, welcome to Analog Discovery unboxing and first demonstration. So we are from Digitronics Nepal. So we just get the Analog Discovery board and we're going to show you the unboxing session with it. Let's unbox it. So this is the board. So actually this is the digital oscilloscope. You might heard about this Analog Discovery, and it have the power adapter switch, USB connector, and the audio output port, and there we can see number of IO. Basically the input probe can be connected with these ports, so the other ports. So this is the Analog Discovery, and let's see inside the cable section. So we have number of jumper headers, which can be utilized for connecting different type of ports, and there are also some jumpers, and these are also necessary for connecting it. And this is the USB cable which will be needed for connecting this Analog Discovery with PC. Aside of it, we are going to utilize this BNC adapter. So this BNC adapter is actually this header connector which expands the normal oscilloscope probe. So this probe is actually available with a different package from Digilent, so we just bought it. So this is the probe. You might see a little bit about it, and actually it is still, so you can see this probe too. So this is the probe which we are going to connect with BNC adapter and digital oscilloscope Analog Discovery. So aside of it, we also bought up the P-mode DAT. So this DAT will be compatible with Nexus 4 DDR, JIBO, even J board and other like FPGA boards from Digilent, so we can connect it. So this is the P-mode. Very simple, but it is still a little bit costlier. This is the Analog Discovery. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll meet you in other real-time demonstration.